A closer look at goals. One of the most important features of this program is to promote saving money and points earned. Saving to achieve a goal is very important. With this feature, a child can set up short-term goals, long-term goals, and regular savings. Once a goal is set up, at a glance, you can see the goal type, description of the goal, amount needed to save for the goal, percent that is currently being taken out from the child's allowance to go towards this goal, what amount has been achieved already, whether the account is active or not active, the start and completed dates, and a color-coded graph that starts red and changes from yellow to green the closer the child comes to completing that goal. Adding a goal. To create a goal, press Add Goals. Select an account type, whether it's a short-term goal, long-term goal, or regular savings. Enter the name or purpose of the goal in the goal description field. Enter the money or points needed to achieve that goal and the percentage that you will want to be deducted from the child's allowance. Ongoing and match are two types of goals. Ongoing is used for savings. Ongoing indicates that the account is an account that does not close. The child will always save to build this account up. Match is optional. It is for short-term and long-term goals. Match indicates that the parent has agreed to meet the child at the halfway marker and will pay half of the cost of the selected goal. Select the start date using the calendar icon. Entering an end date is not recommended unless the goal really does have a deadline. A check in the box next to active indicates that the goal is turned on. Now press save to store your entry. Graphs. Pressing graph will display a circle graph showing all of the child's goals and how demanding each goal is. Adding funds or points. Whether using money or points, the parent will have an option of helping the child by adding money or points to help the child achieve a goal. If using money, you will press Add Funds, and if using points, you will press Add Points. Press New Funds, enter the amount of money or points, then press Save. A log will be kept for these entries. The allowance account will now reflect the new changes with the added money or points. As you can see, the child allowance account has went up. The Send To feature. Parents or children will be able to send money or points from their allowance balance to specific goals. So in addition to money or points that get automatically deducted from the child's account every pay period, with Send To, you can send money or points to a goal using the accumulated allowance balance. For example, Mike has 600 accumulated points in his allowance. Mike will now send 2 points to the DVD collection that he wants. Mike is now 2 points closer to getting his DVD collection. Adding funds to savings. For the savings accounts that are not labeled as goals, such as religious ties, the parent can freely add funds to these accounts. Select Add Funds to Savings. Select the savings account that you wish to view from the goal description box. Take a look at the history of past deposits, or press Add Funds to add funds to this account. Enter the amount of the deposit, then press Save. The savings account will now reflect the new changes with the added money. As you can see, the child's savings account has went up.